Hello, District 303 student. We're going to take a quick look at how to clean up your email. So you can delete all of your emails by clicking up here in this box and then selecting all conversations in your inbox and hitting the delete button. The other way that you can do it is by clicking outside of that box, and you can click on individual emails that you would like to delete and use the trash can to delete. Keep in mind that when you put them into the trash, you can also undo if you accidentally delete something, or you can go in here into your mail, scroll all the way down to more, and you'll be able to see trash and retrieve it if you've accidentally deleted it. All you have to do is click on the select, hit delete forever, or return that back to your inbox right here, move back in to your inbox. I hope this has been helpful. Tidy up that email and get ready for the next school year. Take care.